Okay, let me ask you something. Are you suffering with fine lines, deep wrinkles, or sagging skin? Okay, I have something amazing to share with you. It's this Liquid Facelift Wand. I am 45 years old and I have nothing on my face. I have no makeup, just to show you how amazing this product is. Look at these little rollers. They literally lift your skin. You know, it improves the circulation, the appearance of fine lines, deep wrinkles, and the best part ever, after a minimum of 21 days using it morning and evening, you see amazing results without any intervention like lasers or, injections. Nothing like that. I've been using this for 7 days and love it. Pick up yours at SBLA.com.